Triple RFM, and you're with Steve, Josh, and Alicia.
You wear 'em undies.
So?
Well, they're not just any undies. They're my lucky undies. I've been looking everywhere for them. I've got a job interview.
Well, sorry, babe. You're a bit behind in the washing.
Oh, Mrs. Steambrust.
Which means I get to wear your stuff.
I don't like to share my stuff.
Now, I don't know what's more concerning, your post-prison hang-ups or the fact that you're superstitious about undies.
Whatever.
And darling, I think we're going to have to deal with this.
Are we?
Mm-hmm.
Get them off then.
Come and get on then.
Take them off. Go on, get them off.
Ooh.
It's my parole officer. Hello? Yeah, hi. Now? No, I totally forgot. I'm just down at the shops. I can be there in 20. Okay. Oh, parole officer's at my place. We had an appointment.
Oh, shit, Frankie.
I totally forgot.
The parole board gets wind that you were really living here, and we are absolutely...
Yeah, we're both fucked.
Yeah?
I want my undies back, you thieving minx.